Hi there, this is Stacy with WTI. If you need to repot your succulent plant, this Valley Garden succulent soil is the way to go. I received a plant from a friend and I hate to have to get rid of plants just because they look like they're going. All I had to do was replant my succulent using this soil and it's been doing great. As you can see, it was easy to repot thanks to this soil that drains super easily. It is really fine textured. You can tell that it's a good quality soil for your succulent plants. And I have to brag because my succulent that I have here has already really grown significantly since I filmed the video. I waited a few months so that I could definitely see some results, and it's definitely working. I love this soil. I would definitely use it for another plant in the future if needed, or even to repot this one if it continues to grow. And that's my point of view.